Hi everyone, wanted to let you know about our latest vlog talking about in-office treatments that are going to help you be makeup free this summer. Nobody wants to go to the beach with a face full of makeup, so we've got a multitude of things that are going to help to decrease your pore size, make your skin nice and smooth. First is a VI peel, which is a mid-level peel that's really going to get all that dead winter skin off. Second, we have an IPL, which is going to help with browns and red discolorations, help to tighten the pores. The 1540, which I'm going to do on Kim right now, is going to help tighten her pores. She also has some acne scarring that we're working on before her wedding. So we're gonna do about 3 treatments spaced out about a month apart, and her skin is going to be popping for her wedding. The last one that we do is the microneedling with PRP. We have microneedling with PRP and microneedling without. Both are amazing. The PRP really is just kind of like that real steroid boost for your workout. So come on in. I had a IPL and 1540 the other day. My skin feels super tight. My pores are invisible right now. So I am super happy with my treatment.